Hello everyone, welcome to an exciting video. We are installing some BMC air filters on our McLaren 12C. And let me tell you why that's an absolutely great thing. So these air filters come standard in Porsche GT3 and GT2 cars. That should tell you something. When I owned my Porsche GT4, I took out the original air filters and I put BMC air filters, and not only was the car happier, but you got that extra sound effect that makes the driving experience awesome. So what we did in our channel is we went ahead and we put a GoPro right next to the air duct vent and we went for a drive with the stock air filters. So we have a before and we're going to show you an after sound clip of the BMC air filters so you guys could see the difference and maybe you guys could get yourself some BMC filters. All right, everyone, so we're not doing an install video because we already have one. As you could tell, we're already taking apart, we've already removed the air filter right here. We're gonna show you the difference real quick, but if you wanna learn how to install an air filter, check out this video. We did this video for this McLaren. We think it's really good, so if you need help learning how to install, we already got that video. But let's show you real quick the difference. Check these out, guys. As you could tell, the pleats are just a little bit bigger. They have a little bit more of width between them. When you look inside them, it actually kind of looks a little cool because we have that center part that comes out in right here at the bottom. Same thing with this one right here, doesn't have that. But these BMC air filters are really awesome. And I can't wait to show you guys the sound difference. So we're gonna finish up here and then show you the sound clip. So here is the before video. Alright guys, we just got back from our test drive and OMG, this is a completely different car, like completely. I don't even know how to explain it. You hear the induction noise, the blow-off noise. On acceleration, it sounds completely different. This is the best $300 I've spent on this car. And the reason, besides the oil change, the reason why is because it changes the whole driving experience. Now, where did I buy my filters from? I bought them from Soul Performance. You've probably heard of them as an exhaust company, but I've ordered my BMC filters from them and they shipped them over and we had like a little hiccup and they took care of it. They're true professionals. So I'm gonna put a link where you can buy it in the description. If they give me like a cool like driver's therapy discount link, I'll put it there too and I'll make sure I highlight and stuff like that. But guys, this is a must. This is a game changer and it's pretty easy to do it overall. Make sure you use our video for our removal and install if you need to learn how to do it. And we appreciate you guys watching. You take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.